Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the support on XM app. When using the XM trading platform, you might occasionally face issues like login problems, withdrawal delays, verification errors, or questions about bonuses. In such cases, contacting XM support is the fastest way to get accurate help. XM provides multiple support. You can also go to the live chat and messages app so users can easily reach assistance anytime. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top, you can find this address bar, type down xm.com and enter it. Click onto this login in the top right corner again. Once you get into this interface of XM app, what you can do is on the bottom left, we can find there's an option for the support. Click onto the support here, and over here you'll find this small live chat as well. You can simply start a live chat with your live chat assistant. You can also connect in a WhatsApp, Line, or Telegram as well. Or if you want to send us a request under this email, you can do that as well. As I'm going to select this live chat here, and under this chat section, you can enter the details. If prompted, you can type down your first name, your last name, and your language preferences as well, and you can simply start a chat after that. And over here you can mention the issue that you are facing, and you can simply click on to the send beside it, and after that you'll get a prompted message from the XM agent. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.